everyone! Welcome back to Bun's Drawing Channel. Today, we're going to draw a very cute character. Can you guess who it is? Here's a hint. This animal has long ears, loves to eat carrots, and is always jumping around nimbly. Did you guess correctly? That's right. Today we're going to draw an adorable rabbit hugging a carrot. Do you like eating carrots? What color are carrots? Share with me. Before we begin, please prepare your paper and pens so we can draw together. Let's get started. To draw a beautiful squirrel, follow Bun's steps. While you're drawing, Bun will tell you an interesting story about a squirrel. Would you like to hear it? If so, let's draw and listen to the story together. In a lush green forest lived a little rabbit named Luna. Luna loved eating carrots, and every day, she would run around the forest looking for delicious carrots. Luna not only loved eating carrots, but also loved hugging them. Because every time she hugged a carrot, she felt so happy and warm. One day, while passing through a thriving garden, Luna saw a large, bright orange carrot growing in the ground. Rabbit was overjoyed, ran over, and gently pulled the carrot up. "I'm sure I'll have a delicious meal today," Luna thought. The rabbit hugged the carrot tightly in her hands, happily hopping around the garden. Luna felt wonderful being able to hold her favorite food. Every time she hugged the carrot, she remembered the times her mother had taught her how to care for the garden and find fresh, delicious carrots. But suddenly, a little bird flew by and saw Luna hugging the carrot. The bird asked, "Luna, can you share this carrot with me? I'm hungry and I really like carrots." Luna thought for a moment, then smiled. She gently offered half a carrot to the bird. "Here, you can eat with me." Sharing joy always makes things sweeter. The bird thanked Luna and enjoyed the carrot with the rabbit. They both happily ate and chatted, feeling very happy sharing with each other. Luna understood that sometimes joy doesn't just come from getting what you like, but also from sharing with friends and enjoying it together. From then on, whenever Luna found a carrot, she always remembered that a small share makes the joy much more complete. Did you enjoy the story Bun just told? If you liked it, don't forget to give Bun a like, so Bun can tell even more interesting stories. Now, let's add some decorations around the picture to make it more lively. Please read the names of the shapes aloud with Bun while we draw.
Circle, circulo, triangular, triangulo, square, quadrado, heart shape, forma di corazon, diamond, rombo, rectangle, rectangulo.
Awesome! We've finished the picture. Have you all finished your pictures? Don't forget to show them to your parents for lots of compliments. Now, let's play a little game. The color selection wheel. Are you ready? If you're ready, let's begin.
Purple, purpura, purple, purpura, purple, purpura, purple, purpura, purple, purpura. Pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, rosa. Yellow. Amarillo. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Green. Verde. Red. Rojo. Red. Rojo. Red. Rojo. Red. Rojo. Red. Rojo. Orange. Noranya. Orange. Noranya. Orange. Noranya. Orange. Noranya.
So, we've finished coloring. Now, let's count together how many decorations are around our picture. Come on, let's count out loud.
1. No. 2. Das. 3. Ders. 4. Cuatro. 5. Cinco. 6. Seis.
So, we now have 6 decorative shapes around us. I wonder what those shapes are and what colors they are. Let's read aloud the names of the shapes and their colors together.
Square. Cuadrado. Circle. Circulo. Triangular. Triangulo. Rectangle. Rectangulo. Diamond. Rombo. Heart shape. Forma di corazon. Yellow. Amarillo. Purple. Purpura. Pink. Rosa. Red. Rojo. Orange. Noranya. Green. Verde.
Great, we finished drawing. How about you? Are you done? Remember to share this picture with your friends, and don't forget to show it to your parents. Goodbye, everyone. This is the finished drawing. Remember to turn on notifications to see more cute drawing videos. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.